So WordRocket scored a 74 out of 100 in terms of content optimization, and I didn't touch anything. I didn't touch any of the content. I didn't include any of the prompts from Neuron Writer, but we can see here that we're getting close to complete articles with one click and for completely free because we use Gemini 3. Let's test out Gemini 3 Flash. Gemini has released a new model, Flash 3, which is part of the Flash series models, and it's set to be the fastest and most intelligent model. So we're going to use the aistudio.google.com interface, and we're going to tell it to write an article on how to rank for local SEO in 2026. Now, there's a couple of different settings in which you can choose. You can have thinking as high, low, or medium. For this example, we're going to keep it as medium. You could also have grounding with Google search, which means that the information will be enhanced with research from Google. You have your temperature settings, but for the most part, those are the most important settings. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to run this. Now, we've also went ahead and added in Gemini 3 Flash in WordRocket. If you head over to generate content and we go to our AI model dropdown, we can see that Gemini 3 Flash is actually been added into WordRocket. We are testing it out right now, and if it's better than 2.5 Flash, which I think it is, we'll remove it, but for now we have both of the models available. If you wanted to add in your Gemini API key, it's completely free to do so and completely free to use on WordRocket. Simply just head over to settings, head over to Google's AI Studio. There's a link already in your API section, and then just click create a new API key connected to a project and you're good to go. You can just copy over that API key and you enter it within the Google Gemini API key section, and you can start generating content for completely free using WordRocket. So I'm going to generate the same article on the same topic using WordRocket, and we'll compare it to using the AI Studio. The main difference with WordRocket is that you're able to add in your brand voice if you like to do so. You're able to add in HTML elements, internally link as well. So we can actually internally link throughout our articles, and we can generate images within our content. So we can generate, let's say, 3 custom images using WordRocket. So while you can use the Google's AI Studio for free, you could also use WordRocket for free, and you have more powerful features included, and your content is going to be more customized. Your content is going to already be more SEO optimized and have engaging elements like HTML elements and images. The content has finished generating in the Google AI Studio. So how to rank for local SEO in 2026. The world of search is changing faster than ever. If you want to know how to rank, you must look beyond traditional keywords. What is local SEO in 2026? Why it matters? How to rank for local SEO, optimize for AI search overviews, master Google My Business, the rise of Apple Business Contact, create hyper-focused content, advanced local SEO strategies, so on and so forth. So pretty decent article, a little short for my liking, but that's usually the content that you get back from the AI Studio. To test out these 2 articles, I'll be running a query in Neuron Writer for that same topic, and then we'll be testing the content optimization scores. The content from WordRocket has finished generating. We can see already that it's much longer with over 4,000 words. And we have a nice, beautiful cover image here that we can pop onto our website. We have our key takeaways: AI first discovery, hyper local relevance, zero click dominance, trust in EEAT, the new era understanding how to rank in local SEO, the ultimate strategy, another beautiful image here. And we have internal links, we have tables, we have pull quotes. We have another image here as well. So as you can see, you get a much more complete article here, and we get another image. So this is our 4th image, and this image looks really, really good. Local authority score. It just looks really good. It's much, much more relevant and more of a complete article that we're getting back here from WordRocket. So here is what the article will look like if you were to put it on your website. Again, everything looks amazing and looks really, really good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy over the markdown, and we're actually going to test the content optimization score on Neuron Writer. So WordRocket scored a 74 out of 100 in terms of content optimization, and I didn't touch anything. I didn't touch any of the content. I didn't include any of the prompts from Neuron Writer, but we can see here that we're getting close to complete articles with one click and for completely free because we use Gemini 3 API for free from WordRocket. We got a score of 74 out of 100. So not only can you generate free content, you can generate SEO optimized in-depth content with images, internal links, and content that actually ranks for completely free using WordRocket and using the new Gemini 3 model. So that was WordRocket. Let's test the content that we got back from the Google's AI Studio. The content from Google's AI Studio scored a 66 out of 100, which is The content from Google's AI Studio scored a 66 out of 100, which is actually not that bad. It is a little bit short for my liking, a little bit over 1,000 words. But again, we don't get those custom images. We don't get internal links. It's not SEO optimized, and we can't use our own brand voice. But I would say Gemini 3 Flash is pretty good, much better than 2.5, and a good option between going to the Pro and going to Flash. I think this is a really nice middle ground when it comes to writing content, so we will for sure keep this model on WordRocket. If you'd like to try it out on WordRocket, head over to app.wordrocket.ai. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.